Welcome to Appspotr Academy. Today, we'll explore the device logic block, which provides access to essential information about the device running your app. This includes details like the device locale, platform, OS version, app version, and FCM token. Imagine you're developing a multilingual app that adjusts its content based on the user's device settings. The device logic block can be used to determine the device's locale and display content in the appropriate language. It can also help in identifying the platform or version to deliver platform-specific features or updates. Let's walk through the steps to add and configure the device logic block in your workflow. Drag the device logic block into your workflow to integrate it into your application's logic. Next, connect the device block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the device information retrieval process. Click on the device block to open its configuration settings. Here are the key configuration steps. Select the specific device information you want to retrieve, such as the device locale, platform, OS version, app version, or FCM token. This data can be used for various purposes, like customizing the app experience or managing notifications. Finally, set up toast messages for on-success and on-error scenarios. These messages will inform the user if the device information was successfully retrieved or if there was an error.